Good morning, children. Welcome to our next online class. Yesterday we are discussing about e-commerce. So I'm starting with e-commerce only. E-commerce, also known as an electronic commerce or internet commerce, refer to the buying and selling of goods or services using the internet and the transfer of money and data to execute these transactions. E-commerce is often used to refer to the sales of physical product online, but it can also describe by any kind of commercial transaction that is facilitated through the internet. So this is the diagram of an e-commerce. You can sell products, you can buy products. So this is a selling and buying of goods and services through e-commerce. We can do any transaction if we want, we can do. So e-commerce is very helpful in nowadays. We can learn e-learning also in e-commerce. So e-commerce is which type of device? It is an electronic commerce or internet commerce. Now, online modes of payment. We know what is online modes of payments when we are paying something online, like electricity bill, telephone bill, home rent, whatever type of bill we are paying through internet. Goods bought online. We are buying goods from online, so we are paying for that. Goods bought online can be paid for in a number of ways, like financial transaction made via internet, like banking, credit cards, debit cards, or e-wallets, like Paytm. These are the some example of cashless transaction. We can use our card and we can pay. So this is a cashless transaction, and but still we are paying for that. Now, e-banking, online banking, also known as internet banking. It is an electronic payment system that allows customers of a bank or any financial institution to make online financial transaction using the organization website. The online banking system will typically connect to the core banking system operated by a bank. Internet banking software allows user to operate their accounts and view account balances, obtain statements, check recent transaction, and make payments. So means this want to say that online banking, this is an electronic payment which you are doing through internet, means that is an electronic payment, and customer use like any types of transaction can be used, customer use to pay that product, and it is connected within a bank. Like when you are buying something, you are paying from your card or debit card or credit card, means that amount is from your account, that amount is cut and that pays to that person, pays to that website, and you can view your balance. If you are buying something, after that you can check your balance, and you can see the transaction, how many transaction you had done, and you can make payment. So internet banking allows user to do different types of payment with the help of an electronic system. So this is a very helpful. You can transfer money from one account to another account. You can purchase anything from, or we can install any app and you can do your goods shopping of and goods and services. So this is a very helpful internet banking. What we need, the security for this, what user and password is there, like access is usually through a secure website. So the websites are secure using a username and password. Maintaining security of utmost importance is in internet banking, And many banks also offers two-factor authentication using a security token. So this is very secure. When you will do internet banking, the security is must, and internet banking is very helpful for users. E-shopping. E-shopping is electronic shopping. Means when you are shopping something, you will, with the help of an e-shopping, you will shop. It refers to purchasing products and services online. People can purchase goods and services on the internet from the comfort of their homes and or offices. Online stores typically enable shoppers to use search features to find specific models, brands, or items. Online customers must have access to the internet and a wire method of payment in order to complete a transaction, such as a credit card, debit card, or a service such as Paytm. For physical products like books or clothes, the products are delivered to the customer. For digital products such as digital audio files of songs or softwares, the product is sent online. The largest of these online retailing corporations are Alibaba, Amazon.com, and eBay. So e-shopping is which type of shopping? It is an electronic shopping. You can purchase products and service online. So purchasing product is what? You can purchase online product from anywhere. Whether you are in home or office or somewhere outside, you can purchase from anywhere. What you need your card, and you can purchase, you can do your purchasing. So online stores, what it's enable to the shopper every time 24 hours you can see the products, you can search it, models, brands, items, and color according to your choice. You can search. So online customer will, what they will do, they will, after searching the product, they will pay for that with the help of card, debit card, or Paytm, whatever source they are using, they will pay for that. So when the payment is done, that product is delivered to the customer with the help of that address which you will fill. Some shopping is like that they can send online, like you are shopping something like files and songs, digital audios, files, so that will be sent with the help of online. No need to send to home. With the help of online, their product is reached to you. So, and but that if physically product is there, like clothes, books, or some eating products, that should be delivered to your home address, or where you want that address, that product will reach up to you. So the largest online retailing corporation is given some website is like Alibaba, Amazon, or eBay. This is the largest retailing corporation. Now e-reservation. E-reservation, we know when we are booking an online ticket, whether it is train, hotel, car, retail, whatever the transaction when we are booking, air ticket. So these are e-booking or e-reservation. So e-reservation is what? E-reservation or e-booking is a computer reservation system or central reservation system used to store and retrieve information and conduct transaction retailed to air travel like hotels, car rental, or other activities. Modern global distribution system typically allow user to book hotel rooms, rental cars, airline tickets, as well as other activities and tours. This also provides accesses to railway reservation and bus reservation. You can reserve ticket in railway ticket also, bus ticket, air ticket, hotel you want to book. Well, there are so many things you can, according to your facility, according to your need, you can book your ticket before going everything is well planned, scheduled, everything, so there is no disturbance when we will go out for any tour. My air ticket, if I'm going by air, my air ticket I can book hotel, I can take car, I can take rental traveling services like car, bus, whatever I want. According to my convenient, I will book my tickets. So when I will go for any tour, there is no problem that I'm not getting ticket, I'm not getting bus services. Everything is full plan, and that too is very easy for me. So those are also used to relay computerized information for user in hotel industries, making reservation and ensuring that the hotel is not overbooked. Airline reservation system might be integrated into a large passenger service system, which also includes an airline inventory system and a departure control system. Now, e-governance. E-governance is the use of information communication technology in the governmental functions in order to provide services to the citizens and enable communication and exchange of information between different agencies of the government in a speedy and efficient manner. Interaction between government and businesses enterprises are also made easier. It ensures government to be transparent in its dealing, accountable for its activities, and faster in its response as part of good governance. So children, this is the facility through which internet will give you like e-governance, e-learning, e-commerce, e-reservation. So with the help of internet, we are doing a lot of things which is very needed in our day-to-day life. So thank you children.